Welcome to the Meeting Show 2020 virtual event platform. This tutorial will cover all of the areas that you need to maximize your event and get the most out of the show. In this, we will cover updating your personal profile and settings, finding and booking relevant education sessions, how to book and carry out meetings, and finding and connecting with other attendees. When you log into the 2020 event platform, you'll be taken to the homepage where you will find everything that you need to participate in the event. Here is also where you'll have access to TMS TV, a constant stream of interviews, education and engaging content that will be running over the course of the show. If you ever have a question or need to chat to the Meeting Show team, use the Need Assistance button to visit the help desk. Here you can access all of the how-to guides and also chat directly with one of the team members. We recommend that you complete your profile for a better show experience. To do this, hover over your name in the top right corner. Now, click on My Profile. Here you can add a photo, include your social handles and update your contact information. This is also where you can update your notification preferences and change your password. To do this, hover back over your name. Click Settings, and you will have access to all of these options. The Meeting Show will be delivering its usual quality of education. This can be found by clicking on the Education Programme button on the home page or the link in the navigation pane. Here, you can see all of the education sessions that are coming up over the 3 days. If you want to add them to your event schedule, you can do this by clicking on the Add button here. Once these are added, you'll be able to join the session by clicking on the link in the schedule when the time is right. This will open up the education session natively in the platform. Don't worry if you cannot make this time. All of the content will be recorded and made available once the session has been completed. We do, however, recommend that you try to watch the session live to get the most out of it, as here you'll be able to comment and ask questions in real time. With the new platform, it has never been easier to book your pre-arranged meetings with exhibitors. To do this, click on the Exhibitor tab from your event homepage. If you know who you are already looking to meet, you can type the name of the exhibitor in the search box. To find an exhibitor that fits your needs, there is a selection of filters you can toggle on and off that will direct you to a suitable supplier to meet. From here, you can click onto the exhibitor profile and read about them in more detail. You can see some of their collateral and even see what staff are available to meet. You'll also see all of the available time slots for the meeting. Click on the time that you wish the meeting to occur. Next, click on the location button and it will take you to a screen in which you can input a message to explain why you are choosing to meet. Once you click Confirm, the meeting request is sent and will be approved in a short time. The meeting will now appear in both the My Meetings and My Schedules section, which can be found in the My Event tab. Don't forget to book these at times that do not conflict with any of the education you have booked into. When you have made your appointments, click on the Export to My Calendar to export reminders into your Outlook or Google Diary. When it is time for the meeting, simply visit the My Schedule tab, which can be found under My Event. Here you will see the details of who you are meeting with. To start the meeting, click on the Meeting Call button. If this is the first meeting you have had in the platform, make sure you allow the preferences so the platform has access to your camera and microphone. Once the other meeting attendee has accepted the call, you'll be connected natively in the platform to conduct your meeting. If the other person starts the meeting first, a prompt will appear and you can click to join the video call. You'll be able to see and connect with attendees through the event platform. To find the attendee list, click on the Attendee button on the homepage or in the navigation pane. Here, you will find the list of all the attendees. At the top, there will be recommendations of who you should meet based on the information you provided when registering for the event. On the left-hand side, you can search directly for people by typing in their name or company. As with the exhibitor list, there is a selection of filters you can use to narrow down the list of attendees. To connect with an attendee, click on the Add button. You'll be taken onto a page where you can type a personal message and send a connection request. Once the request is accepted, the new connection will appear in the My Networking section under the My Event tab. You will now have access to the individual's profile. Here, you can contact them using the chat feature, or even start a video call. If you would like to launch a video call, click on the Expand button, then click on the video call icon to launch. In this section, you will have access to all of their contact details. You can also score the connection and assign any helpful tags or notes to the contact. All of this information will be available to export at any point during the event.